Hi again. Okay, about this class. Let's talk about the class. There is a website that is going to be your Bible. There is no textbook for this class. The website is going to have everything on it. Angel will have very little, if anything, on it. You'll upload your assignments to Angel. You'll check your grades on Angel. But you're not going to find the syllabus on Angel. You're not going to find anything. You can write me through Angel. You can write us through Angel. But everything's going to happen through the class website. And so start watching, really pay attention to that website. Besides the website, we're going to have, a Facebook page, which is where I want you to write all of your questions, everything, and share creative work with us there, whatever you want to do. But if you have a question about like when an assignment is due, or is it okay if I do this, put it on Facebook, because I guarantee you there are over 200 of you. You're not going to be the only person with that question, and that way if you put it on there, everyone gets to see the answer. If you write me directly, like Carl, when's the assignment due? When I have 2 TAs, I'm not going to answer that. I'm not going to even take the time to forward it to the TAs. I have 30,000 unread emails in my inbox, and I cannot keep up. Now listen, if you have a problem or something you want to talk to me about personally, about you're struggling in class, whatever, please, by all means, contact me. I am there for you. Yes, call me, write me, whatever. I will help you. I don't have office hours, but we can Skype, we can do all sorts of things. We'll work it out. But if it's just a routine question about the blog, about anything like that, write it on Facebook. Or if you write it on Angel, it'll forward it to my TAs. If they don't know the answer, they'll send it to me. And that filters questions for me a great deal. That's what I have TAs for. Okay? So that's important. Please do that. Now, there's also a Twitter hashtag. Read the syllabus. Read it carefully. All of this stuff is in the syllabus, and so is a very good explanation of the different kinds of projects we're going to be doing in this classroom. So, for example, we're going to have weekly assignments. Now, this is a 14-week class during the regular semester. So in the summer, it's a 7-week class, which means each week you're going to have twice as much work to do as you would during the school year. So there's one, don't wait till the last minute, because I won't take late work. So read it. I'm going to open the classrooms. I'm going to open each week. I'm going to unlock so you can see it on under the assignments tab on Mondays. And all the work will be due by that following Friday. So there'll be weekly assignments, and they're going to be kind of cool, I think. You'll have fun doing them. You're going to be learning a lot of software. This first assignment you're going to do, you're going to be doing it, you're going to be creating what's called a mind map. So this first week. So enjoy that. And it's really simple. I mean, believe me, it's so simple. But you're going to be learning a lot of technology. You're going to be, those of you who have not blogged before, you have to have a blog. And it has to be a WordPress blog. And I'm not going to get into why, but I want it to be a WordPress blog, wordpress.com. And you have to have categories for you have to have categories. Read it. It's all in the syllabus. It's all there. Well, I'm sorry. The categories aren't under the syllabus. There's a tab at the top of the website that says, my online journal or something. Read that whole thing very carefully. Please read it very carefully. And do everything that's on there. Especially create those categories so that we can find your work when you post it. I'm hoping you use this blog, sort of an online journal for other creative thought. Go to town, go crazy, begin blogging. Write, find creative things and write about it. But really, the assignments, whenever you're doing an assignment, you have to create, tag it with a category so that we can find that assignment amidst all the chaos of all the other stuff you may be doing with that blog. And I encourage you, have fun with that blog. Do some crazy stuff. So there'll be weekly assignments. There are also going to be a set number of sort of just generally creative assignments. I think you'll have a choice of there. I've written down several things that you can pick the ones you want to do. And those aren't due until the very end of the semester. I think the 6th week they're due. And that way, you can do them whenever you want. And those should be fun. I think when you read through the list, you're going to enjoy it. There's definitely something there for everybody. So enjoy that. So weekly assignments, and then there'll be these creative assignments that are apart from the weekly assignments. And then really the third thing that you're going to have, and this is big, this is worth the most points, will be a group project. Yes, a group project. You guys, Angel is going to select groups, put you into groups of, a certain number of people, and you will be collaborating with those people to solve a problem. And when I say solve a problem, I mean you're going to go through the creative process to solve a problem about something on campus. I will assign you what that problem is that you're going to solve. Well, I'm not going to actually define the problem you're going to solve, but I'm going to give you the topic in which you have to find a problem. So there will be a group project, and that will be due in the final week also. So there'll be the weekly assignments, the creative projects due at the end of the semester, of the end of the class, and there'll be the class projects. So those are the projects we're going to be doing. And again, you'll have a blog. Everything happens on the website. All those questions go on Facebook. Read the syllabus. There is a Twitter hashtag. That's in the syllabus too. We will be monitoring that. Let me just see what else. Posting homework, you're going to be posting it 2 places. You're going to be uploading it to Angel as a PDF file, or maybe sometimes a JPEG, because you're going to be doing some things by hand, and you'll have to scan those things and upload a JPEG. I don't want crappy cell phone pictures, because I won't accept them. If I can't tell what that is, because you took a crummy picture that's posted sideways, I won't accept it. So make sure it's a good shot, good scan, and I can see it. Or my TAs, they're going to be doing a lot of the grading too. So you're also going to be posting on your blog. Everything except for one assignment that goes on Angel also has to appear on your blog. Why? Because other people are going to be curious to see what you came up with. One of the great things about learning, one of the great learning opportunities is for you to see how other people tackled the same challenge you did. So, you're going to do something and then it'll go up and you're not going to know, wonder what everybody else did. Well, if it's on your blog, everybody can go and look at it. Everyone can see it. All they have to do is type in those categories, search categories, and they'll find them. The only assignment that you do not have to put on your blog is the one this week that is the self-portrait, because that's very personal. Those are asking you some questions that are probably for your eyes only, and mine. But keep in mind, you're welcome to put it on your blog if you want to. Again, be honest with those questions. Grading, we're going to do our best to get all the grading done in the following week. So you post it by Friday night. You're going to post it. Your homework is due by Friday night at 6 p.m. We're going to start grading, and hopefully we'll get it all done by the next week. So we'll be grading weekly. You do not need to know any software for this class. As far as you will need to learn software because we're doing blogs and we're doing mind maps and we're doing Google Hangouts and all that stuff. But you don't have to go out and buy anything. You don't need to buy the Creative Suite for my class, although it is a required class if you're going to take the creative track in the Media Sandbox in our college. So, but this particular class is not going to use any of that software. That said, there are maybe an assignment or two that if you're welcome to use it if you know how. I'm just not going to require it. Read everything, watch videos, and take notes because there are going to be 3 quizzes. Those quizzes are going to, anything can be on a quiz. It could be a lecture from a video. It could be text on a page. Read everything, and you're welcome to take notes. I suggest you take notes, especially on the videos, because although you're welcome to refer to your notes during the quizzes, because the quizzes are going to be offered on Angel, and they're going to be timed. So you'll have a set amount of time. Once you click Take Quiz, the clock is ticking. and you're going to run out of time. So, by the way, if you do find yourself stuck on a question, just jump and go to the next one. You can always come back to that. But if you're stuck on that, you're gonna lose a lot of ground. So, but if you go back and start watching a video because, oh gosh, what did he say about that? And you're trying to find it on a video, you're gonna mess up that quiz pretty badly. So take notes. Really be organized about your notes. Even, I am not the most left brain note-taking guy in the world, but I know when I have to do that, and this is one of those times. Organize them, get a notebook, write notes. Week 1, do it. You'll be very happy. I guess that's about it for now. Yeah, I think that's about it. So, thank you very much. If you have any questions, ask them on Facebook. Please don't write me. Please don't write me. goodk@msu.edu. Don't write that unless it's personal, something you don't want to share with anybody else. I have office hours. You can come to me. Or you can write through Angel and it'll go right to the class, to the TAs. All right? Thanks a lot, you guys. Good luck in this class. I hope it's a great success for you. Take care.